Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to be looking at some fall decor. Not sure where we're going to be going this weekend for fall stuff. I don't have a lot of fall things at home. I have the whole family with me. My husband actually drove, but he's in there getting fitted for a suit. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first place we decided to go was Kirklands. We actually love Kirklands, and if you've been in there, you guys know the first thing that hits you is the smell. Definitely tops all of the home decor places as far as smell. It smells like apple cider and pumpkin spice. Oh my gosh, look how fall. I haven't been in here in so long. Alright guys, so let's talk about the price and kind of compare them to some other places that you guys might be looking for home decor. As far as Kirklands, I would say they're pretty mid-range and reasonable. I mean, most of the pillows are about 25 bucks. As far as Homegoods, you might see $40 pillows there, which is actually a lot for seasonal decor. So I try to shop around and just look everywhere that I can that I know sells home decor. So I definitely get mature vibes when I go in here just because it smells good, and most of the tones in here are pretty neutral. You're going to find a bunch of like classic fall colors in here and less bedazzled pink pumpkins. So if you're looking for more of like a classic fall style, I would definitely go in here. Anything that you get out of here you will probably keep from year to year because it's not so trendy. So Homegoods is definitely one of my favorite places to shop at for home decor and seasonal stuff. They just have like the best range of styles in there, so you really can't go wrong. Homegoods is my go-to when it comes to finding decorative pillows. They just have the largest selection of pillows, in my opinion, out of all the places that I've been. They literally have pillows to suit every style. Hey guys, now I'm at Ross because Ross has home decor and their home decor is not as expensive as some other places. And then next door is a huge Big Lots. I probably will go in there for a second, and then Walmart. Let's go. So Ross had absolutely nothing. I didn't even want to take the camera out to show you guys because there was no fall decor. It wasn't even camera worthy. I go to Big Lots to see what they have. Hopefully it'll be a better selection than hot mess over there. So looking around in here, I noticed that they didn't have as much fall decor as I thought they were going to have. I know for Christmas they have a ton, so I will be going back for that. They had one area that was blue, burgundy, and like pink themed, which I thought was really fun and different for fall. So if you guys are looking for something like that, I would definitely go ahead and check them out. Walmart had a bunch of farmhouse and like traditional style things there for fall. I didn't see any glam or any like bedazzled things there, not really. So if you guys are looking for more like farmhousey things and like little pumpkins, I would definitely check out Walmart. I think the prices there were cheaper than the other places that I've checked. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.